This is my graduation suit. It has some flaws that I wanna fix. So the first thing that I do not like is the shoulders. The shoulders are too broad. This side I reduced it a little bit. It's pinned together. It's not really stitched already, but you can see the difference. This is overlapping going down, but this side is nice, and you know it fits well. It fits better this side than this side. I don't like that it does. See, when my hands are down, it does these. I don't know how to reduce them, but I think it's a thing of fitting them on the by the shoulder, because maybe there's too much fabric there. The other thing that I wanna adjust or fix is this. I feel like this button is too low, opening here too much, but when I hold it like this fits much better. I feel like this is more nicer, this is more elegant. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move these two buttons. The first one I'm gonna move it up here, and then the second one here, because here we just need the snatch to be here. Honestly, I'm wearing the top that I'm gonna be wearing inside so that I can be able to, you know, see how it's all gonna fit. Obviously I'm not gonna wear this skirt, I'm just wearing it for demonstration purposes. It was suggested that I should reduce the length, but the problem with reducing the length is that the pockets are too low already, and me reducing the length can be a little bit risky. I mean, I'm starting to like it now, but I'm not really sure. And reducing the length, it means I need to figure out how I'm actually going to be able to reduce that length. So lengthwise I will see. For now I'm going to start with this ones that I have mentioned. The bag is fine. I like the bag. It shows my snatched waist, you know, and everything. I just don't like the flaws here at the front. It has this, of which I'm not going to use because it's not attached to the lining. So because of that, it only moves the top fabric, of which you see how not nice that is. It's like what is going on, you know, what is going on. I mean, I guess maybe you can say when you tie it you can see the perfect fit of the suit, but I want this without having to tie this. You see the amount of fabric that's just not supposed to be there. So let's try and fix that, and hopefully we're gonna get what we're looking for. I have my pants on. This is how they fit. I feel like the fit is perfect around my waist and my thighs. I didn't want it to blow me too much. I feel like this is the perfect fit. It just holds really nicely. It just lets go in a very nice way. But I need to reduce the length. As you can see, I'm already wearing the shoes I'm going to be wearing, which are my heels. I'm not going to be wearing socks, obviously, but yeah. These are my shoes. I didn't want to go for anything too high. So I want them to actually rest on top like this. I want them to show my toes, but not to show my whole shoe. Basically cover my shoe. I mean, that puts it into risk of like getting dirty. But as you can see, the heel is out a little. Just enough not to touch the floor. So I think I'm going to fold it down so I can actually get this length instead of this, because this is not even about elegance. This is about tripping yourself and falling, which is the last thing I want to happen, especially on the big stage, because I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna come down of that stage crying like tears, because what do you mean, that thing is gonna be on the internet my whole lifetime. So I'm gonna fold it down, and actually I think just folding it by itself is fine. I'll just need to do it in a nice and elegant way so that it doesn't really show. And that will basically be it, because I'm done with the top.